Hello, in this lesson we will discuss about tautology, contradiction and contingency. Let's get started. A compound proposition that is always true no matter what the truth values of the propositional variables that occur in it is called a tautology. That means some simple proposition made a compound proposition, and the simple proposition's truth value doesn't matter. The compound proposition's final output will always be true, and this type of proposition will called tautology. Let's do an example. I will wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow, and negation of this proposition will be I will not wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow. And if we do a OR operation, that will become I will wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow, or I will not wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow. This proposition's output always will be true. So this will be a tautology. Let's talk about contradiction. A compound proposition that is always false is called contradiction. The reverse of the tautology. The simple proposition true value doesn't matter. Output will always be false, and this then will be called contradiction. Let's do an example. I will wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow. I'll not wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow. And if you do AND operation, I will wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow and I will not wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow. This proposition's output or final value always will be false. So this is a contradiction. Let's talk about contingency. A compound proposition that is neither a tautology nor a contradiction is contingency. That means these propositions truth value can be true or false, and this will then call contingency. Let's do example. I will wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow, and Q, I will play football. And if you do a OR operation, I'll wake up 6 a.m. tomorrow and I will play football. So these propositions output could be true or false. Here is the truth table of tautology, contradiction, contingency we discussed earlier. P or not P always will be true. The propositions, simple propositions, truth value doesn't matter. And for contradiction, always will be false. The truth value doesn't matter. And for contingency, there is some mixed truth value. So this is called contingency. Alright. Hope you understand. Till then, goodbye for next lesson.